Yo, peeps, wagwan, welcome back to the channel. I don't know it's a boy, I and I. You know, someone will go for stories. We're not go typical. Yeah, man, we have a different kind of story for us. So here we go on and now. So, about 144, I think they call them the Haven hooligans. You see me? We at Jamaica, we know them as the mongrel dog them. 144 of them arrived in Canada. Yes, peeps. Yeah, man, my dog them have to live. My dog them have to live. Yeah, man. So 144 of the mongrel them reach Canada. So you know, so we have to shout out some people who make them thing possible. I think the Montego Bay Animal Havens, them in association with the Canada Link, which is Save Our Scuff, Rehome and Rescue. You see me? Them make it possible. You see me, them are some other people with Chaka Cove, the JCF, you see me, Dr. Ricketts from Ministry of Agriculture and Fishery. You see me, I said they make it possible. So the dog them could have migrate 144 of them. Cause you know, so we know them there on the street of Jamaica. Enough. So me want to give a little advice to the 144 dog them who just arrived in Canada. Say make them know say the temperature go kind of like a different, you know what I mean? You have to expect the 4 seasons. You see me, you know, either Jamaica is either rain or fall or sun or shine. We're not two seasons like that, you see me? But expect the 4 seasons. And the dog, them have to know said when like how them forward now in Canada, some of the little kind of like a rough behavior where them have to calm down, them have to go calm down, a little something a little more, you see me? And adjust because you don't know people in Canada kind of like more relaxed. You see me I say so, the dog them have to know them thing there. And the next thing where the dog them have to know so, you see me when them are left from Jamaica, them the dog them I tell them one another say them a go to Toronto. But you see me, them can't go say Toronto when them reach now because everybody a go find out say them dog gonna come from around here. Cause them dog gonna say Toronto. Them dog gonna say Toronto. You see me? Drop that extra T there. You see me? Then have to say Toronto. You see me? Dog, them have to know, so them have to say Toronto. You see me? So, anyway, we play no me I take it as a little fun thing. But a serious situation and a good thing, you see me? I said the Montego Bay Animal Havens in association with Save Our Scuff, Rehome and Rescue from out of Canada. They make it possible for these 144 mongrel find themselves new homes and them just reach, and according to them Instagram page is that the dog them reach and after a show and thing them a go process them and them thing and them a go available for adoption. You see me? Yeah, man. So me know say some Jamaicans them a go rescue them, man, because we have enough pet lovers over here and them a know say them own Jamaican this thing adopt, you know what I mean? Yes, peeps, that joke, that one. It's jovial and everything, but it's a nice cause. You see me, I say, yeah, man. I never know. Say, all but thing are going in a COVID time, people. I think everything kind of stand still, but the dog them a travel. You see, cause I never yet hear about an initiative like this before, ever in all of my life. I never hear about a situation where them ship over 144 dogs and them able to put them in a home where them people can adapt them and all them things. I never hear of this happening before. But maybe it happened before, but I just noticed it and things. You see me I say? So big up on yourself, all of my new subscribers, them you don't need to drop some comments now, cause when me a shout out more if you call out name and them thing there. You see me? So big up on yourself. Today Sunday. The sun is out. What going now? We almost are going in the spring season, so a good time the dog them arrive in Canada right now. Them not the winter kind of fade out you know, and you know me I said no snow not on the ground over my side you know still. So it's a good look. Yeah. So welcome the dog them to the big city. Yeah, man, so right now the dog them dropping in a big city and I'm sure so them even though the place kind of locked down, them have to go give them a little tour and show them the place, man. Not sure. Yes, I. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Until another vlog. I'm out.